हेलो माय सुपर बेबीज, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक जबरदस्त सोप जो आपके चेहरे को बहुत अच्छी तरह से इवन टोन करेगी इफ यू यूज इट रिलीजियसली। बहुत ही सही है, सीरियसली इट्स अमेजिंग। इट हेल्प्स टू लाइटन योर टैन, पिगमेंटेशन if it is not too chronic, acne marks, wound marks, or any marks for that matter. It will lighten it if you use it religiously. In fact, I was thinking of doing this series as to 5 days or 6 days of soaps, so that you get a variety of soaps, so you know which might suit you and which might not suit you, and then you can prolong using that, varieties basically. So if you want me to do that series, please let me know in the comments below, then I can do that. Tomorrow is another soap. So basically ये जो soap मैं आपके साथ share कर रही हूँ, it's very good for the skin, of course, as it is summer now and most of us basically stink if you work out or anything for that matter. So this soap will help you from not stinking too. The soap is actually very good because it has amazing ingredients. What more do we want? तो आगे जाने के पहले प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कीजिए if you're not subscribed and hit on that bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload a video. मेरा एक दूसरा चैनल भी है, प्रियंका जॉर्ज व्लॉग्स, जहाँ मैंने वीडियोस अपलोड किया हुआ है. It will be really amazing if you could go and check that out. All the links will be in the description box and on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, yeah, all the links will be in the description box. So now go and watch as to how I make this amazing soap. I'm going to be heating up some water to melt my soap base. So basically this is double boiling method. I'm going to be taking little of the soap base, say about 20 grams. No specific quantity as such because I make very small soaps. But I like to grate it before melting it. It melts faster that way. And once it's completely melted, switch off the flame and add in few drops of olive oil, say about 10 drops of olive oil. And then add in 2 to 4 drops of lemon essential oil. Now you need to buck up, you need to put it in your molds as soon as possible. Be a little careful. So yeah, put it in your molds. Don't fill it till the brim. Halfway through, stop. And then you need to add in lemon zest. A little bit of lemon zest. Yeah. That's all you have to do. So how do you get lemon zest? Just grate it again, babies. You need the skin. And once you cover it, add in whatever is remaining and cover it till the brim. Once it's nicely covered, just give it a slight shake so that it is evened out. And after a few hours, say about 30 minutes or 1 hour, it hardens. So you just have to leave it there till it hardens and it looks freaking beautiful like you see. So now it's time to use this. It's so freaking beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. It's really beautiful. Like, I wish I could eat it. Not really. So how do we actually use this teeny mini baby? Yes, you need to wet your face first. So I'll wet my face and get back. So my face is wet and I gently wetted the soap too. I'm going to just very gently massage it into my skin. Very gently. Babies, it is even very good to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads, dead skin too. Bas, you don't have to put too much. And then start massaging with your fingertips. Of course, this can be used on your whole body too, especially your underarms. If you have dark underarms, dark neck, elbows, dark knees, full body actually. I like to make it in smaller quantities because I make so many soaps. Because there's a time when I try it for myself, then I make it for the video. So there are too many soaps with me. So I like to make it in small batches. It really helps, guys. So gently massage for 30 seconds. So now I go wash it off and get back. So I just washed my face, babies. It's amazing, babies. Seriously, you need to try this. No soap or cream for the next 2 to 3 hours for best results. You can apply any moisturizer, oil or whatever you want after 2 to 3 hours. But if anything natural, then you can apply it in between. But if anything chemical, after 2 to 3 hours. Let the effect of these natural ingredients be on your skin for as long as possible. Skin feels amazing. Soft, very nice. Just too good. All the ingredients in this are amazing, babies. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to hit a like. Don't forget to share it with the loved ones because you never know किस किस को help करेगी. And yeah, see you later in another video, guys.